Welcome to the Kim Josiah Podcast!
We have some stuff to discuss, but before that, I'm gonna talk. Before that,
Okay,
we're gonna talk about Landian. We're gonna talk about Landian, house parties, house party etiquette.
Someone was requesting just a small dabble into kasamaan ng kadiliman later.
What's that?
The Harry Roque.
Shit. Sorry. Okay. Kaya pala.
Yeah.
But before that, you were asking me.
So, on playback, it was not a podcast episode, but I just hung out with the pod kids. Jim was not able to make it. And at the end of it, I was just discussing with the pod kids, ano yung best ballpen nung high school ka? And the chat just went wild. They were very passionate about this.
Yeah.
So I wanted to ask you, what was it for you?
I think it was eras.
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 Well, it's both. It's eras and eras. Jahe. Did you see that? That's
Cruella de Vil. Anyway, eras.
Acceptable.
Are
you a route or route person?
I would say route.
Ako route.
Route ako, pero because of Route 196,
I know.
we'd say
We're
route.
so the same. Yung lande. Speaking of landian.
Grade school, it was the ballpen with the red, blue, green thing.
Syempre.
Yung
We
push
did
down.
not discuss that. The clickable thing.
The clickable thing.
Grabe. Pag may ganun ka, parang,
I think tas pagdating ng higher grade school, Parker was a thing.
The clickable thing with the
Parker pen,
engraved?
yeah.
Oh my gosh, how can anyone afford that? Higher grade school? Grabe talaga to. I did not know anyone from grade school who had it. Grabe talaga to.
It was my girlfriend gave it to me.
May girlfriend ka ng grade school? Totoo ba?
Yeah.
Paano niya binili yun?
Hindi ko alam.
Nagpaalam siya sa nanay niya?
My initials were on it.
Sugar mommy.
So, after Parker, I would say the Pilot. The Fine Point. That's what everyone had. And I hated it. Kasi, ang kalat eh.
I like it.
As soon as you write, parang, nako.
Hindi, it depends on the paper. I'm so particular with paper. Ayoko yung parang medyo may pagka-glossy yung notebook.
Glossy notebook.
I hate it kapag yung notebook mo, hindi edge to edge yung lines. Alam mo yung parang may margins siya. Get out.
May margin. Ayaw mo may margin?
Ayoko yung may space sa edges.
Well, ako, notebook-wise kasi, the one notebook that I really, truly love, as in like my sincere love ako, before it became a hipster thing.
What?
Was the black and white one. The one that was used in, what movie was that?
What,
Harriet the Spy?
Composition notebook.
Yun ba yun?
Yeah.
Harriet the Spy.
Yeah.
Harriet the Spy,
Yep,
yun, she had a bunch of...
Yes.
I love...
May ganun ba dito?
Meron na, marami na. Yun yung Kindle cover.
Yeah, I know. But may
diba?
ganun ba dito?
Please, Podkids, playbackers, pasend nga ng link, order ko ng 10. Kasi kaka-scam lang sa akin sa Shopee.
Ano na namang ginawa mo?
Bumili ako ng software.
Deserve. Charot.
Anyway, the notebook, sorry, Pilot, na makalat, lalo na yung blue. Pwede ba?
It's not the same.
I would like to request Pilot. Gets ko siguro red. Kasi babuyan naman pag red. Like teachers are like, baboy. Like, bagsakat.
I liked it.
That's why teachers love that red Pilot.
Bakit
Kasi parang
magulo?
gusto nila sabihin like, ano ka? Tang-inang bagsaka.
Are you the type to just stick to one? Sino teacher yan? Report natin. Sabi ni Steady Chic, Pod Dad, sa Shopee mo binili yung guitar strap mo, no? If you know, you know. Thanks for hanging out at
thanks for going, Steady Chic.
At the Sunday gig. Ano pa to?
The red one.
The red one.
Makalat.
Makalat.
The blue one makalat. The black one makalat. So whenever like I
Tapos
feel...
pag nag-transfer siya dito, annoying.
I personally don't care. I would write on my fingers though, but fingernails.
Right?
Like make it black and blue.
Pero gumagana yon?
Sa side. Not the nail itself.
Hindi, ako whiteout yung
Not the
gamit
nail
ko doon.
bed.
Yung
Really?
whiteout.
Oh my God.
Sobrang saya. Come on, guys. Right?
How about So sorry. To end, I think with age, it's just like, please just write. Mine is like fine, ballpoint.
Yeah, I get this bunch of parang 12 pack na 20 pesos.
Yeah.
From a Shopee account.
Na just write.
And it's
manipis,
I
malinis.
like it.
But there was this one pen na I was crazy about.
What?
It's like ano ba yung mga transparent na parang gel siya, mukha siyang gel na pen.
Oh.
Na white, transparent, pero fine siya, tas sign pen siya.
I'm
sure pod kids know about
Sorry,
this.
what? I'm gonna hyper focus on that. What is it? It's transparent yung nilagyan
mukha
niya.
Siyang nightstick. Mukha siyang ano ba 'tong nightstick? Glow stick.
Okay.
It's
ayoko yung mga ganon.
Hindi siya transparent. It's like
yuck.
Mukha siyang bendy.
Yeah.
Hindi, promise maganda talaga
yung glow stick na pen.
Pilot bang tutak nun?
Parang Muji.
Parang Muji. Parang
Muji pen. Gusto ko yung Muji pen. Yeah.
Yun yung hindi ko gets though. Yung Sav was fascinated with these notebooks na daming square.
No,
Ano yung point?
Even when I was in grade school, I preferred writing like math grids. That was so my jam. As in, I would create pixel art with math notebooks.
I hate that.
I really loved it. Especially, oh my gosh, like, yeah, that's...
Ako pala, ang best ko, ang favorite ko. Siguro kasi I don't like being restricted because I'm a creative. So, siguro I like open space and
I hate open notebooks.
I hate
it.
That's why I love Trapper
Give me
Keepers.
dotted notebooks.
Trapper Keepers. Like,
we talked about that.
Big paper, sulat, and then bind go.
You know I did not like?
Yung
mga may, yung notebook na, para siyang Trapper Keeper, hindi, Katleya ba yun? Yung mga may filler notebooks na sobrang nipis.
I
was like, oh my God.
Sorry, I was obsessed with that.
I hate it so much.
Yung
parang may
yung
metal
kulay. I love ko yun, sabi. I love that.
I hate it. Spiral notebooks are bust.
Oh God. Spiral is the worst.
Spiral notebooks are the best.
Ang sarap kaya nung filler kasi parang
ayoko nang nakabukas.
Alam mong sulit na sulit ka kasi parang and plus ang sarap mag-aral kasi ako math, science, English, per notebook I just know where to go.
That's the difference between you and me. You study, I don't.
Why would you want to go from notebook to notebook? Ako like, nga pala yung English notes ko.
No, that's why I like oh my gosh, I got this old school. I like this.
Ganda. This
is my favorite because it's big lines, and it's like, parang you can get a 3 or 5 subject thing.
What if I buy an old school?
We're talking about the mid 5-star thing. Meron sa.
Pero how do you carry this around? Though?
I know you can't. I mean, it's in my bag.
But... I think I'll buy na lang the old school, Ano yun, Katleya?
Yeah, meron sa baba.
Para sa mga iba-ibang portion ng buhay ko, di ba? Ganda. Tapos ito yung personal journal
ko. I would, yeah. Sarap magsulat dito.
Kasi I've said this a bunch of times, but I want to pass on my kids. Like, here are my books.
I love it so much. You should really do that.
I stopped
doing
it.
You can continue.
It's all digital now.
You can continue. Anyway, going back to what were we talking about? What were you going to talk about?
So, 2 things. Number 1, we are rewatching The Office for the 15th time.
Yeah.
Can I just say, Pam is so cute in season. Parang sadya talaga na she became.
Nag-bloom siya.
Nag-bloom siya. Okay.
Yep.
So anyway, I want to say that. I just had to say it.
Ayusin ko lang yung camera.
And then another thing is we did a gig on Sunday. It was awesome. It was one of the craziest days we had this year. Okay. So aside from a ton of family stuff, we had a Kape Kape booth. We had a Linya Linya booth in Shang. We had a Cheats gig. It was the first gig that our kids watched. So talagang the full spectrum of work, life, stress, happy, whatever. Oh, Therese. Hey, Therese. Kape Kape the best. So we had this awesome gig and it was crazy. So sabi ko kay Sab, we need to decompress. I mean, we're so tired. But I think we need to. And Sab did the initial thing that us in our 30s do na. Do we really want to go? Like, ano ba? Hindi pa tayo pagod?
Yeah.
Okay. So we decided to actually throw an impromptu sort of house party in our studio. Here. But prior to that, I do want to say, playbackers, okay, according to Manny, best man Manny, okay, he said that without a shadow of a doubt, okay, I don't know. I need to verify this. I really need to verify this. Okay, so I would like to get the opinion of the playbackers. He said, without a shadow of a doubt, Henlin is the greatest restaurant
I did not hear him say that.
Sabi niya, itapat mo daw kahit ano sa kanya. Wala dong tatapat sa sarap ng Henlin. Yung dumpling and yung rice. I wonder. See? Oh, marami nga nag-agree.
Totoo ba?
Yeah.
I have not. Next, are we trying to cancel Manny?
So, see? Grabe. Totoo nga. So really, it is the
Talaga ba?
Wow. So, tatry ko na nga.
Show my rice, yes. Not the goated, but sulit as fuck. Facts. No cap.
Okay. So, we decided to have a house party.
Bold statement from Manny.
And we haven't done this in a really long time. Like, since we opened Big Fuzz, that's our maximum quota to go out and have a drink.
Yeah.
Okay. And even with that, two drinks were done. Medyo grabe ng endurance, and plus the mental factor of being in your 30s and drinking is so draining because of the next day.
Honestly, while I'm out, I'm just thinking of like,
so
okay, so ako hindi naman ganun. But ako, I'm just thinking, I mean, calm down. Like, how much are we drinking here? Ako, iniisip ko lang, like, while I'm out, as in, like, listening to people, like, iniisip ko, ano kaya yung travel time pa uwi? Tapos, ano yung, like, yung maligo pa ako yung skincare ko.
Ganyan ka?
Gonna brush my teeth. I can't wait to get under my bed sheets and, like, like, just lie down.
Hindi naman.
I do.
Hindi, pero not the whole time.
No, like, towards the end, when it's like, when it's like 9 p.m.
Please don't put yourself in that light, because that's me. If there's anyone who's doing that throughout the night, it's more of like, oh my God, tatayo na ba ako?
Okay, sige. Mine is not that fast. Mine is not that fast. I really sometimes I'm just thinking like, I'm factoring in the time it takes for me to get ready for bed and to get to bed. And so I'm just thinking, the later I get home, the longer, parang hindi maganda yung gising ko.
Okay, sige. So, anyway.
That's why I like going home early.
This was the first time that dati kasi, it was a normal thing. If you, like, classic cheats. Story time lang. There was at the start of cheats.
Were you going to say at the peak?
At the
start. We're not there yet.
At the start of the band getting together. Sab, like, became like an ambassador for a Scotch brand.
Yeah.
So nagpadala sila ng boxes of premium.
You can say it, Johnny
Walker. And so, as in, like, we were living in a condo nung time na yun, and our condo was just filled with boxes of Johnny Walker. Okay?
We made it into our Christmas tree. That's how many.
And plus pa. Like, they were under our bed.
Yeah.
Meron sa
nakatago sa closet.
Sa closet. So anyway, every Cheats gig, siguro nagtataka yung mga other bands. Kasi, like,
we'd be in the parking lot.
We'd have one bottle each. As in, not a bottle of beer, a bottle of Johnny Walker. There was a time now we went to the beach and like literally we walked to the beach. Everyone had a bottle,
Gold label.
and then just drinking it like as if. And I remember nga, parang other bands were like, parang lagi kayong may ganyan. So anyway, that was the thing. Like it was always come to our place. We're not gonna prepare much.
We're not gonna prepare anything.
There's drinks here, and then it's always like, who's gonna buy ice? And I'm sure the reason why I wanted to talk about it because I'm sure, kasi actually napag-usapan nga namin during that hangout here, which was so fun, and it reminded me kasi of those days, right? Na you don't think about what time people are gonna go home. You don't think about water. It's just like anong tutugtugin. And what we talked about with our friends was ibang-iba na kasing generation now. Right? Their form of landian and dating is no longer uy tara kita sa embassy. Diba?
Yeah.
It's run clubs,
very healthy.
Gym,
love
kape.
It. Love that for them.
Love
that for
them. We kept talking about that. Yun yung pinag-usapan namin nila Therese actually. Like, we were like, swerte na mga to. Like, kasi ako, like, it would be a great chance to na maglandian, right? But I'm sure there's still the occasional house party. If they are gonna go out and drink, it would probably be in someone's house or a condo. And so therefore, my question is, and this was my thing. Ito yung run club ko nung in my younger days. My question is, first question is,
sorry, your run club is house parties?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nung time na yun.
Yeah.
Kasi nga walang ganun eh.
Yeah.
It's not like we have parks.
Yeah, you and your friends always were like in each other's houses.
Yeah, pero I'm talking about actually like 15D and like yung ganung place.
Okay.
Na every week we'd be in a condo. I didn't know half the people there. So my question is, in a situation like that, paano ka ano bang style pag kwari?
You just do. Okay, go.
Mangbabakod ka ba?
What? Who uses that term? My God. Mangbabakod. What does that even like? Wala, parang
yeah, wall of ISO.
And be a creep and like not allow her to escape.
No. Just be so entertaining that she wouldn't want to leave.
Oh my gosh. Maybe just don't use the term mangbabakod. Maybe just like be entertaining.
In a way, you are doing binabakod mo.
Yeah. Bakit? I just hate that term. I'm sorry. We're okay. Everybody,
is that offensive?
Can we please tell Jem no?
Bakod is.
I just don't like that.
Bakod is fence, right?
It is.
Oh, over the bakod.
Yeah, but like, I just don't like that term.
Binabakuran mo.
I hate it so much. Stop. It's giving patintero. Okay, is it just me? I think I'm having like a visceral reaction to this because it's reminding me of something I heard. Hindi, I heard it about parang some guys talking about my sister that way. Na parang binakuran, ganyan. And I was just like, I was so angry. And so that's why I'm coming from,
So ISO na lang.
Yeah, it's just I hate it.
Nag-ISO.
It's like, stop. Okay.
So anyway, what if you don't know someone? Like, kasi ganun usually, like, siguro pinakilala kayo that night. What will be the thing? Like, I was trying to imagine kasi, like kunwari, like, if single ka, house party, you go there as a guest, so you don't necessarily know who is coming, right? Someone comes in, and you're like, oh, cute. Cute. And it's not like, kasi sa bar I think as a club may sort of understanding naman na it's there to socialize and like kind of hit on people.
Yeah.
I guess. But this is like a house.
Parang hangout lang.
It's a hangout. Like people are taking off their shoes.
Okay.
Diba? People are like laughing, inside jokes, subgroups. And comes this like dala ng friend of a friend. You know how sila Kyle would always just bring like a friend.
Mm.
And we're like, sino yan?
Mm.
They're like, friend go. And we'd never see that person again. So I guess the question is, how do you like what would you appreciate? Like sorry. Am I making sense?
Yeah, you are.
I'm stressing out na.
Yeah,
ngayon
math
pa
is
lang.
saying small talk, I guess. Find a common interest you can talk about.
Yun nga, how do you do that if you don't know the person at all?
I mean, obviously, you're gonna get introduced, right?
Okay, alright. So let's say, okay. Meron akong way. Like, I mean, role play.
Okay, fine.
You come to the party. I'm a friend of the owner of the
Okay.
unit. So, pinakala. Sab, si Jim. Oh, hi. Hello.
Hi.
Hey.
Hello.
How do you know Enzo?
From UANP.
Ano kayo? Like, same
batch.
Same batch.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Are you also taking yung course niya?
Chemistry?
Yeah.
No.
No. Okay. Are you far from here ba? Ano?
Too many questions. Like, are you a fucking cop?
Ang galing ko though.
No, I didn't like it.
Oh,
I was
really?
like, yeah. I was like, can you not?
I thought I did well.
Daming tanong. Siguro na-stress ako kasi hindi ko alam yung course ni Enzo. Interview po. Hindi. I liked it. Feedback. Just slowed down a bit.
Was I going too fast?
You were very fast.
Really?
Yeah.
Baka kasi nagkape ako.
Dapat ako, I'll be the guy. I mean, like, or...
Ako yung girl.
Ako yung girl.
Sige.
I'm sorry, like, just for easy purposes, it could be the other way around. Hey, hi.
Oh, hi. Ay, sorry. Fuck. I didn't mean to do that. Again. Again.
Hey, hi. Hello.
Hey.
Jim?
Yes.
How do you know Enzo?
He is my bandmate.
Oh, cool. You have something to drink na?
Wala pa.
You see that? You see that? Kagad.
Yeah. I'd be like, I don't drink.
Oh, cool. You want water?
No.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
That wasn't smooth. Sorry, Sabi. You're usually very smooth.
I'm not.
That was not.
I'm not. No, because I was just thinking, like, before you like grill them, make them like feel comfortable first.
And how do you do that?
You can ask them like, what are you drinking? Do you want something?
What was wrong with mine?
You were like, kaagad like, sino ka sa buhay ni Enzo? Sino ka? Ba't ka nandito? Ano ginagawa mo dito? Anong problema mo? Diba?
Okay. Gets. Okay.
Petition to include landi lessons sa coaching ni Sa. Hindi talaga ako magaling sa ganun. Sorry. That would be an additional 20K for that.
Pero ang galing ni Sab mag-wing, in fairness.
Yeah.
In our party days.
Oh my gosh, I was the best wing.
She was the best wing woman.
I was yeah.
As in, it's just that the ones she was winging were just
Manny. Joke. Manny's always like, ayoko. I'm like, tara na, sino gusto mo dyan? Wala. Ayoko. Na, Manny, tara na. Cute oh, Manny, cute oh. Ayoko. Hassle. Okay.
Or
I'm so annoying. I was so annoying back then, but like I accept it.
I would have loved that if but I would have found you too cute. Like, wanting to set up mo with like another person.
So magiging bridge ako, ganun.
A stig.
Did you ever fall for your bridge? A bridge is someone
I never needed one.
Taray. A bridge is someone na hindi na ata uso yun ngayon, no? Would there be a need for a bridge now? Bridge yung parang pag may gusto ka.
Pwede naman may bridge na panapos eh.
Ano yung panapos?
Like to finish na parang
puntahan mo yung friend ng ex mo na parang sobrang sakit nangyayari sa amin.
Hindi.
Nakakay ka sa shoulder niya tapos biglang bomol kayo.
No.
Galit yan.
Hindi. Panapos meaning.
I hate these terms. Ano yung meaning ng panapos? Is bridge the millennial term for wingman? Pwede, pero long term. Long term bridge is...
Wait. Bridge kasi was, it's not a...
Hashtag panapos.
Medyo gray. Medyo grade school pa naman to.
Yung
Right?
bridge.
Yung bridge. Like parang, yeah,
Parang,
wingman.
kumbaga,
Like,
it's like, tanong mo siya kung gusto niya ako.
Gusto niya ako, ganun. But,
do you like me? Check box. Yes. Check box.
But what I meant to say is like now it could probably be like you guys are dating and then you're still unsure about a few things. Then you ask your friend to ask like, hey, do you think ano nga? Do you think like we've been on 10 dates? Can you ask her if?
So usually friend siya ng friend.
Oh, naman.
Friend siya ng gusto mo or mutual friend mo.
Yeah.
And I feel like usually the bridge is always like, do I not what am I, like a sidekick? Wala ba akong sariling buhay? Siyempre, gagawin niya kasi crush niya actually yung...
Hindi naman all. Pero sarap maging bridge though. It's entertainment.
It is.
Saya
And then when it works out, like I feel so much like, yes! That's why we did Hakbang. We did Hakbang.
Unless nga type na
online
type
dating
mo yung
show.
sinesetup mo.
Yeah.
Which is usually...
Para kang si Littlefinger. Parang,
actually, you know what?
look at my pawns at play.
Actually, I think that was a good way to date without dating.
You get to know people?
Yeah, kasi kung like you try to bridge someone.
You're a bridge?
I believe so.
Nanulot ka, no?
Huh?
Ha?
I believe so. Pero it was nice to like see like, oh wow, this person is like this. This person is like this. Like without, and you talk to the person. Again, the fact that there are still all boys schools and all, I don't know about, I can't speak for all girls schools, pero I can't believe that the fact that there's still an all boys school, it prevents us from actually being normal human beings, socializing in the world.
I get that. I agree with
It's
that.
crazy.
It's pretty,
Parang hindi ba nag-start naman yung
Archaic.
all-boys school na yan because of like a war or whatever? I don't know. So gumagawa sila ng sundalo and like whatever.
Yeah, and women women can't be soldiers, right?
No, I assume na
At the time,
na kaya nagkaroon ng ganyan. Ewan ko.
No, I think it's a whole religion thing, and it's like, don't touch the women. You're gonna go to hell. Let's separate them.
You think it's that?
Yeah. That's it. Hindi makakapag-aral ng mabuti kasi may nakikitang balat ng other gender. Hiwalayan natin sila. The curriculums were different. Women taught homemaking, etc. That's true. Oh my gosh, Hele. That is true. But I sew really well. And I do know the basics of sewing. I sew really well and I know the basics. Love. Cooking, we did. You guys didn't have to.
We did. Yeah. We also made those.
Meron kayong home economics?
Yeah, we did.
Ano meron kayo?
I remember this project, yung you'd make like a bunch of circles, tas gagawin mo placemat.
Ano yun?
Yung ano tawag doon, yung iikutin mo yung parang
compass?
Banig. Parang banig siya na.
So you made it. Oh, that's
gagawa
cute.
ka ng banig, tapos
ratan.
Iba-ibang kulay.
Cool.
Oh, parang iba-ibang kulay, tapos ipagdidikit mo and it becomes a placemat.
I love that.
I remember that.
So we had sewing, cooking. I think we even had like how to wash stuff.
We had sewing, cooking, wala kaming washing.
You had sewing?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Ay, hindi, wala sewing, sorry. That thing, that making that.
So like an art class. It's like
medyo
making a placemat. Huh?
Pero grabe yung difference.
Laundry.
Do you know what happened sa all boys school?
Ano?
So during our art class, one guy got the head of a paper. So we were building paper mache. And while the teacher was habang nakatalikod yung teacher, this guy threw the head of the paper mache at the head of the teacher while he was writing on the board. And then, so na-suspend. Wala. Ganun lang talaga.
Oh my
na-suspend. Walang art class for...
Oh my gosh. Kawawa naman yung teacher.
Grabe talaga. I would love to talk to...
That teacher?
My teachers.
Yeah.
Grabe. I think there is major
Being a teacher
emotional
sa
trauma
all boys
being a
school, high
teacher
school.
in, yeah, especially if you do go in there with like intent to, I'm sure maraming
Yeah.
like, I've had teachers like who I would say like we parang kumbaga, I'm sure that they're proud
Yeah.
na wow, I connected with the student, and
Oh.
but my God, I'm sure like marami dyan na like
They really should
probably
get support.
naglalasing
They
pag-uwi.
really should get support for all of this because that's a lot of lives that you're shaping, and you really have to be in control of your own mental health to be able to handle 40 guys.
Grabe.
My
40
gosh.
horny, angry,
Emo
loserly
guys who just want
bullies.
to whip out their guitars and sing "Say Maybe." Pero ang
Grabe.
masaya sa co-ed, I went to a co-ed school in high school. Masaya kasi you have electives. So hindi siya itong home economics thing lang na you have electives, like you can choose what you want to do. So I was
Wow.
part of woodworking and electronics. So those are separate ones na, as in, I got to like use a saw thing. That's why I'm so like I'm a handy, like I know how to do the basic stuff, and
Astig.
then electronics is like kaya I like it, like knowing how this will work. Yeah, I like that. So that was really cool. Montessori Antipolo, shout out.
Ako do, sabi.
What?
Kasi you sent me this thing on Instagram, like how to train your kids to
Be resilient.
be resilient, right? I feel like pagdating sa mga woodworking and shit, kaya ganito ako. Kaya I can't fucking change a bulb or like parang pag nakita ko, oh my God, ubos na yung batteries.
Were you always told to like
hassle
to just sit down?
Parang it was always
you're gonna die.
Parang if you can't do it, parang I would easily like.
So just a background there, yung IG reel that I sent Jim, it was like, don't always rush to your child when they're asking for help or when they're frustrated, and just try to talk them through it lang and see if they can solve the problem on their own. That's gonna help them, syempre, not rely on you so much. And so,
kasi
you're saying you're not as handy as you would like to be because
whenever like I would face a like, you remember those projects where you put 3 water bottles together and then put it in a tub of water? Gagawin propeller.
Yes.
Gagawin boat. I tried, and then it was just like, bukas na yung deadline na to. So parang, ako nang gagawa. It was like that. So,
bakit
kasi ayaw bumagsak. We can't.
Hindi, bakit procrastinate? Bakit night before?
I just didn't like it.
You didn't want. You were afraid to even start.
Yeah. I just didn't like.
You didn't like it. You didn't like crafts.
Didn't like it.
Let's work through that. How can I help you today, Coach Sam?
Another thing that I know is I would like to call out yung judges ng isang Marian competition namin na I cannot believe hindi kami yung nanalo.
What's a Marian
Kung
competition?
sino ka man, yung judge of a second-year high school songwriting competition, tas yung pinapanalo mo yung nag-cover ng something, I don't know, I forget.
Songwriting.
Shame on you. We should have won that. Bastos.
What do you mean? You wrote a song?
Yeah. So like it was a competition. Like, so you make a song about Mary. Try to make a
Mother Mary.
Okay. And mine was original.
Yeah.
Everyone else was like, parang, and Mother Mary, longer than it'll last, I'll be by your side. Ganon. So it was, grabe yung mga judge na yun. Grabe talaga yung mga judge eh. Also, 2007 Nescafe Sound School judges.
Oh no.
Shame on you. Shame on you.
You know,
Look where we are now.
Okay. I'm just like quietly cringing here.
A lot of repression.
But there is a lot of value in not winning first place. You know that, right?
1,000,000%.
Super.
1,000,000%.
I see it happening all the time because I watch a lot of RuPaul's Drag Race, and a lot of my favorites, usually they don't win first place, and it's cool because I still keep following them and I love them.
You know why? Because they find their own way.
Yeah, and parang okay, I'm not gonna let that stop me. I'm gonna, do my own thing, and I like it.
This should be a completely different episode, but I would love to talk about that nga.
Yeah.
Kasi I always thought na, grabe, I'm forever cursed.
Aww.
All the competitions I join, talo. Talo lagi. Forever talo. And kaya I'm always at the mercy of these fucking judges na wala namang pake. Siguro gumimik the night before.
Would you ever be a judge for something?
Yeah.
And ruin someone else's life?
I'd be great. Itong mga to kasi, mga sure naglasing the night before.
Naka-free flight, gano'n?
Oo, no.
May buffet ba dyan? Sige. Gano'n yung honorarium? Sige. Gawin ko na.
Ge. I do super, that super resonates with me, Sabi.
I cannot judge anything. I don't like being a judge because I just feel bad for not letting everyone win.
Pero grabe guys, ako if you've ever joined a competition, I would like to tell you and assure you 1,000,000%. If you may hugot kayo dyan, I'm kidding, obviously kidding right now about yung mga hugot ko. Pero if I won those things, I would not have been able to navigate and be more creative and like find my own identity. Kasi people that usually win those things, which I'm not saying that's bad, but it's usually like, okay, pumunta ka dito, suotin mo yung leather jacket na yan and mag-photoshoot ka, tangina mo. Yeah.
Nanalo ka ng contract, di mo pwede gawin lahat ng gusto mo. At saka ito,
Oy.
15,000 for the whole year. Ay.
Okay, gumawa ng album, lahat ng gagawin mo, sasabihin ko, pangit.
Aww. Well.
That's fun.
Were we gonna... Oh, sige, let's end with that very viral video of Harry Roque. If you missed it, he was apparently detained.
Actually, Sabi, I've missed it.
You haven't seen it? Anybody want to send us a link to that?
Yeah, please.
So I think Harry Roque was detained for not showing up because he has been questioned, diba? He's being questioned for being part of these Pogo and sinasabi niya hindi. And apparently, he just didn't show up. Na-detain siya for 24 hours. Paglabas niya...
Wow, I can't believe ginanon siya. Awesome.
Vinidyoan siya. Parang he was making a statement. I want to...
While Sab is looking for this, I would like to give some words of wisdom.
Go.
Naman. Lalo na guys yung mga nasa corporate, I was also never teacher's pet, boss's pet.
Were you not?
Sorry.
Hindi naman.
There in the critical moments in my job, when I really felt like grabe, talagang mas bet nila yung mga iba. I just want to say that's fine because you will find your own way and you'll be more creative and you'll find a way to make yourself number one in your eyes.
Okay.
Anyway, here we go.
Game.
Bye to the podcast. Bye to the podcast.
No, we'll play it for the
play it.
podcast. Okay, wait lang. Kailangan ko lang i-timing because I don't know how to work this Instagram thing na game. Thank
Wala
you.
sa YouTube.
Shout out to Kabalastugan. Wait. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Hindi po ito laban ng Duterte at Marcos. Ang laban po ngayon ay puwersa ng kadiliman laban sa puwersa ng kasamaan.
I think wala tayong winner tonight.
Hindi na po ito laban ng Duterte at Marcos. Ang laban po ngayon ay puwersa ng kadiliman laban sa puwersa ng kasamaan.
Yung mukha. Yung mukha. Kabutihan.
Ano yung sagot ng isa?
Kabutihan. Puwersa ng kasamaan hindi. Oh, kadiliman at
may nagsabing kasamaan.
Kasamaan. Lahat sila. Kasamaan. Yeah, so I think it was a live broadcast, so he did not
I am
Yeah.
so glad we're getting this. Why? Please more justice because like we hated this guy during the pandemic, and he
Wild.
was like roaming free. Please, and I wish it becomes more than a meme. I know it's
Yeah.
fun, but like there has to be justice.
Yeah. My gosh. My goodness. All right. Well, if you want to see more of the if you want to get more updated sa mga hanash-hanash, what we mostly follow, it's easy to follow, is Senator Risa Ontiveros on Instagram. So yeah, her team makes a lot of these very digestible clips. Yeah. So
Wala na nangyari dun sa ano kay Sarah Dut.
meron pa. We can talk about that tomorrow. Game?
Okay.
All right. Okay, see you guys tomorrow.
Good, huh?
Bye.
Okay, bye.